Hello friends, I welcome you all to this lecture on solving numericals using Python programming. So in this lecture, we will be finding out we will be writing a program that will return us the nth term of the Fibonacci series. So in the previous lecture, we have learned about the Fibonacci series. That is, it is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. That is, the next term in the series is the sum of previous two. So you take, let's say, this, so it is the sum of previous two. So in this case, the program will remain the same. There is no difference. But some tweaking we will be doing so that we can get the nth term. So let us say 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. So what I'm interested in, let's say, so this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and so on. So what has to be done is the let's say I'm interested in the fifth term. What is the fifth term? It is 3. Okay. So once I say n is 3, my program should return what? 5. Okay, if I'm interested in, let's say, the sorry, I have done it wrong. I think this is wrong. The term is 5, fifth term, so program should return 3. Whereas if I say n, let's say 3, if I say n is 3, then the program should return what? It should return 1, and so on. So slight modification has to be done in the program. What is the modification? First, we have to bring these terms also inside the loop. So previously we have kept F0 and F1 outside. Now these terms will be coming inside as the F new. So that if I am saying give me 0 term, so it should give this. If I am saying, no, sorry, if I am saying give me the first term, so it should give 0. If I am saying give me the second term, so it should give me 1, and so on. And apart from this, previously as we were not taking these two terms, so our loop is going till n minus 2. So now what will happen? The loop will go up, start with 1. Why? Because I have to do like give me the first term, second term, third term. So loop will start with 1, and as there are n terms, so if I am starting with 1, so as last term is not considered, so we have to give the last term in the range as n plus 1. So let us look in the Jupyter notebook and see how this can be done. So this was my program. Enter the number of terms. So instead of this, what I'll be writing? Enter the term you require. Enter the term you require. Okay. Now, instead of printing anything, we'll not be printing now. We'll not be printing anything here. What we'll be doing is our loop will be starting at 1 and ending at n plus 1. Now it is clear to you why. Now if I say that if I is equal to 1, if I is equal to 1, then do what? Take f new as f0, else if I is 2, then take f new as f1, and if it is not 1, not 2, then else do what? Then do this. Okay, and done. Now you made it. So what has to be printed? Simply fn. Print the nth term, nth instead of n, I should write, let me write n, make it formatted string, the nth term of the Fibonacci series is Fn. That's it. Same program, slight tweaking, and we'll be getting the result. So let us run it. Let's say I'm interested in the first term. So it should give me 0. Okay, it gave me the 0. Look here. If I run it again, I say give me the second term. It should give me 1. It is giving me 1. Third term, it should give me 1. So it is giving me 1. Let's say I'm interested in the fifth term. So what is the fifth term? Look here. Fifth term is 3. So it should give me 3. Okay. Let's say I'm interested in the eighth term. So it should return me 13. So eighth term, now it has returned me 13. So friends, now again you have seen that if I'm having a logic and that logic is also working in another program, then I can use it. So what I have used? I have used this one, this term, this one. In fact, this. Then what modification we have done? We have started with 1, ended at n plus 1. Okay. And then if I becomes 1, then take it as f new. If I become 2, then take f1 as f new, and rest remains the same. So in this way, you can print the nth term of the Fibonacci series. So in this lecture, till this point only. In the next lecture, we'll be solving more problems. Thank you very much for watching.